Hello, my name is Meg, and today I am doing another unboxing of some cute pottery. I will have the links for their shops listed below. They're both Etsy's. And this is the first mug. I wanted you to see how well she wrapped it with the bubble wrap and the handle protected. This is the actual mug with the haunted house. She had several different haunted houses, and I just like this one the best. So cute. I made it a haunted house soap coming up for October shop update, and so I kind of wanted a mug to commemorate that because I think it's just so incredibly cute. That shop is called Buys Atelier. I hope I'm saying it right, so that will be the first shop link listed below. I think it's so pretty. So I have new coffee and tea mugs for this fall. And next up is another shop that I've had my eye on her pottery for quite some time. She is listed as one of my favorite shops too. All of my shops that I like and their items are public on my Etsy, so you can check out my favorites shops and items. Look how well she wrapped it as well. Her shop is called Pottery and Paint by LBS. And look at this mug. I've wanted a pumpkin mug for a long time. I got a deal on a pumpkin teapot a couple of years ago, and now it's just like the perfect thing to match to have tea with the teapot. Her work is just absolutely beautiful. She has some really cute things in there for Halloween, fall, and also Christmas as well. So please check out these ladies' shops. They are absolutely wonderful. Please think about always shopping handmade when you can. It helps other people so much, and I firmly believe in handmade pottery with lead-free glazes. I think that's just absolutely wonderful. So stay tuned. My big shop update for October will be on October 6th, the full moon. But actually for YouTube friends, I have everything on my regular Squares website right now. Take care.